All right, we're about to try the oldest bag of fish bites you've ever seen here. We got easy squid from 2 to 3 years ago, maybe. It doesn't even look like the squid color. I don't know if you can see that. It's like brown. So we're gonna see exactly how that works. Does it really matter how old these are? Probably. We'll find out. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Uncharted Florida. We got a special show for you today. We got star of the show from last year with the giant, biggest pompano ever. And we're out here today to try to recreate that. We've got 3 rods out. We've already caught 1 fish. It was like within 30 seconds, so it's a good sign. The fish are chewing, and we're about to get on those pompano, aren't we?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Fish on, fish on. All right, rod just went out. You feel it? Lift the rod tip up.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, we did see a shark out here this morning. All right. This rod's been out there maybe 30 seconds.
Yeah, not even.
Not even. All right, good job.
I wonder if it's a pompano.
I don't know, I hope so. Maybe we casted it right into the school. Pull it on up. Okay, stop.
Oh yeah, I didn't see it.
All right. First fish, catfish. We're putting on this old Fishbites. It's pretty gross looking. We're gonna see how that does. A Fishbites and a frozen sand flea. We're using this real old Fishbites. It's staying on there, it's disintegrating a little bit, but we're just using that as a pad to wrap this bait string around as we hold that sand flea in place. When we cast these out, what you want to do is lay that rod back on the sand like this. Lay that weight back, almost touching the sand, and you're just going to flip. And there's a little whipping motion at the end, and that's going to get it right out there. All right, fish on. Remember what I told you about keeping tension on that rod. There you go. Need to walk backwards to keep it on? You can. Good job. You feeling anything? All right. Great job. Yeah, swimming sideways. This is good. All right, go slow, go slow. Don't jerk. Let him swim in. Reel. Don't leave slack. Okay, hold on. Yeah, back up. All right. Yeah. Bring that back to your rod holder. All right, hold that up. What'd you get? All right, look at that. Actually, that's a baby black drum.
Really?
Yeah, hold that up. Nice baby black drum. Good one. I love that.
Is it keeper or not?
All right, we'll measure it out. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, fist bump. Completely went slack here. That's a good sign. There we go. Oh yeah, fish on. Oh yeah. This feels like the one. Oh no, did it pop off? Oh, no, we're good. We got him. Nice. Dude, nice. This is without a doubt my personal best whiting. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Holy cow. Look at that whiting. My God. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's bigger than my forearm. Man, that is an absolute monster whiting. Oh man, when the line goes slack, that's usually a good sign that the fish hit it and just swam right into shore. So that line went completely slack. It was piling up on the sand. I knew something hit that line. What a special father-son day today. Being out at the beach, beautiful sunrise. I love this. Starting to lay slack a little bit. Oh, we might have a fish on here. Oh yeah, fish on. Fish on. These hits have been real strange lately. That was kind of swimming around. Haven't seen a real big hit in a while. All right, another little puppy drum, little black drum. Nice, very nice. Take that. Fish on. Fish on?
Fish on.
All right. Tempting on him. All righty. How's it feel? Feels good? All right. Feel it kicking? Bring your hand down to the rough part. There you go. Pulling?
Yeah, really.
All right,
hard.
good.
It's getting really hard.
All right, reel them in. Reel faster. Okay, here we go. I see him in the surf here. Reel up. There you go. Nope, reel, reel, reel. Two. Two fish, reel them in. All right, what you got here? All right, little jack and a catfish. All right. Cool, put it in the rod holder. Yeah, thanks. Can we toss it to him?
Yes.
All right, feeding the birds.
What about that one? Oh, it's on the tip.
Well, that old Fishbites still on there. Disintegrates a whole lot faster than the new stuff, but it's going to provide a pad to string the frozen sand, that string down in that Fishbites and around the flea. Kind of hold on a little bit better. Kind of hold it alongside the hook. Use that mesh and Fishbites material to hold it on. There we go. this is. "16 inches to the nose. Man, that's our biggest yet.